Welcome to our comprehensive overview of the logistics process, taking you from the drayage port to the consumer's doorstep. In this video, we will explore each critical step involved in ensuring that goods are delivered efficiently and timely to their final destination. The journey begins at the port. Here, large cargo ships arrive, carrying containers filled with goods. Cranes expertly unload these containers, which then go through customs clearance for inspection and documentation verification. Once cleared, the containers undergo drayage operations. This involves short-haul transportation from the port to nearby warehouses, distribution centers, or rail terminals. This is a critical step in transitioning the goods for further movement. At the warehouse or distribution center, containers are unloaded. Goods are inspected for damage, counted, and sorted based on their destination. Once sorted, goods are stored in designated areas within the warehouse. Inventory management systems track these items, ensuring stock levels are maintained to meet demand. Customer orders are received and processed through an order management system. Inventory is allocated to fulfill these orders based on availability and priority. Items are picked from their storage locations using advanced systems, such as pick-to-light or robotic pickers. They are then securely packed and labeled for shipping. Orders are consolidated and planned for shipment to regional distribution centers or directly to consumers. Carriers are selected based on cost, speed, and reliability, and necessary shipping documents are prepared. Goods are then transported via truck, rail, or a combination of modes to regional distribution centers, closer to consumer markets. At regional distribution centers, goods are received, inspected, and sorted for final delivery. Routes are optimized to ensure efficient delivery. Local couriers or delivery service providers take over for the last-mile delivery, ensuring packages reach the consumer's doorstep promptly and accurately. Once delivered, proof of delivery is recorded, often electronically, ensuring the customer receives their order. Post-delivery, customers can contact support for any issues such as damages or discrepancies. Additionally, a reverse logistics system handles returns efficiently, ensuring returned items are processed, inspected, and restocked as necessary. The logistics process from the drayage port to the consumer's doorstep is a complex yet highly efficient system. Through meticulous planning, advanced technology, and dedicated personnel, goods are delivered timely and accurately, meeting consumer expectations every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the logistics process.